Welcome to Pila.
Days seem sometimes as if they'll never end. Sun takes its heels to taunt you, but after sunlit days, one thing stays the same. Rises the moon. Days fade into a watercolor blur. Memories swim and haunt you, but look into the lake, shimmering like smoke. Rises the moon. Close your weary eyes. I promise you that soon the autumn comes to darken fading summer skies. Breathe, breathe, breathe. Days pull you down just like a sinking ship. Floating is getting harder, but tread the water, child, and know that meanwhile rises the moon. Days pull you up just like a daffodil, uprooted from its garden. They'll tell you what you owe, but no, even so, rises the moon. You'll be visited by sleep. I promise you that soon the autumn comes to steal away each dream you keep. Breathe, breathe,
Napaganda na ba sa atin dito? Kasi kaya mo ganun. Kung niya may masarap, dapat pinupuntahan. So yun nga guys, pupunta kami sa Susan. Let's go!
but after sunlit days, one thing stays the same. Rises the moon. Days fade into a watercolor blur. Memories swim and haunt you, but look into the lake, shimmering like smoke. Rises the moon.
And guys, taste check! Let's go! Huwag yan, bulok yan. Let's go! Ano yung kakamay mo? Kuha mo ko tsara. Ano naman?
Sarap naman siya. Basta mo baka.
Ayan guys, ang pinagmamalaking pagkain ng Pila. Isa sa pinaka matagal ng tawag dito, karinderya sa Pila. Ayan nga guys, 1995. Ayan guys, ating model. Ano tol? Nag-aantay yung
Lalagyan natin siya ng ketchup. Masarap siya sa ketchup. Pakita ako niya.
Ito naman. Ayan guys, dragon.
Nga guys.
Oh, ayan.
Tapos
ito.
pa.
Ano to?
Ikaw. Kaya naman, kaya naman. Kaya, ito tayo. Tulo tayo. So, ayun guys. Ito naman ng Daddy Kim. Ay, dragon guys. Ano masasabi mo, tol?
Solid talaga ang mga pagkain sa Pila guys.
Ano naman?
Ikaw ang video pa. Ay,
Isa siyang dayo. Ano tol? Ano masasabi mo tol?
Sarap naman. Wala din sa sabaw.
Ito mo sa sabaw tol. Talagang mabisa yan tol.
Masarap naman.